Welcome to our in-depth review of the X9 Wired Ergonomic Keyboard with cushioned wrist rest. This keyboard is designed to transform your typing experience by providing a natural hand position that reduces strain during long hours on your desktop or laptop. Whether you're a professional, a gamer, or simply an everyday user, this keyboard aims to offer comfort and efficiency in a modern workspace. One of the standout features of the X9 keyboard is its split ergonomic design, which promotes natural positioning. Traditional laptops force your hands into awkward positions, but this keyboard ensures that your hands can type comfortably and naturally. Complementing this design is the integrated cushioned wrist rest that levels your hand with the keys, allowing for smoother and more efficient typing sessions. Coupled with a robust 5-fit USB cable, this keyboard makes a reliable wired connection that eliminates lag and connectivity issues. The full-sized 110-key layout is a practical addition featuring 17 shortcuts and a numeric keypad that enhance productivity. LED indicators on the keyboard signal various mod statuses, while its adjustable kickstand provides a customizable typing angle. This thoughtful design incorporates plug-and-play functionality, making it instantly compatible with both PC and Chrome systems without the hassle of installing additional drivers. In real-life scenarios, the X9 Ergonomic Keyboard has proven to be a game-changer for users who spend extended hours typing or performing data-intensive tasks. Its ergonomic split design minimizes wrist discomfort and fatigue, leading to fewer interruptions and slumping productivity. Along with this, the multiple shortcut keys and numeric keypad further streamline workflow and efficiency, making quick data inputs and commands much easier. However, while it excels in ergonomic comfort and layout functionality, some users have noted that the responsiveness of some shortcut keys might feel a bit different compared to traditional keyboards. Additionally, as a wired solution, it lacks the mobility offered by wireless alternatives, which might not suit users who prefer a clutter-free workspace. When compared to similar ergonomic keyboards on the market, the X9 performs admirably due to its balanced design and affordable price point. In contrast to more expensive models, the X9 still offers a comfortable experience without burning a hole in your pocket, though it may be less feature-rich than high-end brands. To get the most from this product, users are advised to spend a few minutes adapting to its split design and adjust the kickstand to find the optimal angle for their personal comfort. Overall, the X9 Wired Ergonomic Keyboard is a solid choice for anyone seeking an upgrade to their workstation. Its unique design, cushioned wrist support, and efficient layout make it a valuable tool for enhancing work performance while reducing discomfort. It is highly recommended for office workers, students, and professionals who spend a significant amount of time at their computer. Thank you for listening, and happy typing, dear viewers.